The coffee industry occupies an important position in the global economy. It not only brings huge economic returns to the planting areas, but also converts coffee shells into useful resources through carbonization technology, improving local economic benefits. In addition to making profits from the sale of coffee beans, growers can also earn additional income by selling carbonized products. Processing companies have used carbonization technology to reduce the high cost of processing coffee husks, and can launch new products such as biochar, expanding market share. The application of carbonization technology requires professionals, thereby creating employment opportunities. It also promotes the development of upstream and downstream industries such as equipment manufacturing and technical services, assists the circular economy, and enhances the competitiveness of local economies. Therefore, coffee shell carbonization not only provides additional sources of income for growers and processing companies, but also comprehensively promotes the growth of local economies by creating jobs, extending industrial chains, meeting market demand, and promoting sustainable development.